intrepid daughter of yours? Where is she?
My princess, she went out.
You know how countlessly I have warned her to stay away from my brother, right? You know. Yet she chooses not to do what I ask her to do. There is no place for a commoner in the palace. There can never be a place for a commoner in that palace. Did I not ask you to warn your daughter repeatedly? I specifically asked you to warn her. Did I or did I not?
You did, my princess.
And did you warn her?
Yes, I did.
Lies! Cheap lies! Cheap lies from a commoner like you. Because you do not have respect for my office and my position as the princess of this kingdom, you choose to defy royalty by encouraging your daughter to go ahead with my brother. Right? You're going to suffer for it. I will make sure that you suffer.
Leave her alone!
What is talking? What is this thing that stands before me that is talking?
I said you should leave her alone, you wicked creature! Leave her alone!
Guards! After flogging this fool mercilessly, make sure she falls drunk. Right now, move her.
Leave her now.
Madam, stop her. Keep quiet. In fact, you know what? Flog this one. The God spoke to me too. What the hell out of them? And then you listen. Position that thing. If that touches me,
Why you press that her ear? Sorry. Mama, no. I warned you. I want you to stay away from this evil family. I want you to stay away from Prince, but you wouldn't listen. Now look at what they've done to you.
Mama, it's not her fault though. It's not her fault. It's that prince. It's that prince that keeps throwing her up and down like fly. She have done nothing wrong.
I don't know what I've done to that family. I don't know what I have taken I don't know what I have done to this family. God, please come through for me now. I'm a poor widow without him, and still they won't take their eyes off me and my poor child. God, please now. Am I this unfortunate? Why is all these things happening to me? Hey.
I think we will go hospital. My head still dey pain me, oh.
Hospital. Omamma, have you forgotten that I will have had the cover shish? Omamma, hospital. Which body are you going to hospital with? Because the Omamma like a this to go get hungry, she leave for you. And the entire way where you will be safe. Grace will heal you by the grace of God that I serve.
Amen.
Please, you use this water very well. After I'll go and look for Grishi leaf and add to it. I think it will give you some relief.
What's your problem?
I should be asking you that question. What's wrong with you? What do you think that commoner that all the classy girls we've been bringing into this palace do not possess? No, tell me, why have you chosen to disgrace this royal family like that? Why? What is wrong with you, Obinna?
Tell her to stay the hell away from my woman. It's none of your business who I decide to hang out with. Stay away!
Your sister is right. What is it that you saw in that girl? I mean, you can't be shaming this family by associating with a commoner. For heaven's sake, Obinna, you are a crown prince. and soon to be king after your father. Your people cannot be seeing you associating with a commoner. Stop already.
Mother, my problem is not even the fact that that girl is a commoner. Aside the fact that she is a commoner, that girl is extremely arrogant and she fights like an animal.
And I still maintain my stand. Stay the hell away from my woman. It's none of your business who I decide to hang out with, so stay away. I'm not going to say this again. You won't. Stay away.
Where are you headed? Where are you headed?
Not your business.
You see? I wonder what is wrong with you. Mother, there is absolutely nothing to wonder about. Yes! The problem is that she has a mother who is too soft for him. Restrain him from disgracing and shaming this family further. That's it. That is what is wrong with him. Excuse me.
My prince.
Mama, I heard what happened and it saddened my heart that I almost killed my own sister with my bare hands for what she did to Omamma. But I'm here right now to apologize on her behalf and to let you know I'm sorry.
Thank you, my prince. It's okay. Your sister is royalty. She has the right to treat us anyhow she wants.
Mama, she has no right whatsoever to treat Oma the way she did. Okay? I warned her and she will not try anything like that again. I'm sure of that.
It's okay. Take it easy with her. Hi.
Mama, where is Omamma?
Oh, she's inside.
I would like to see her.
What are you doing here? Have I not told you to stay away from me?
I'm sorry about what happened, okay? I came to apologize for that. I'm sincerely sorry. Huh?
You never cost me enough then. What do you want from me? No, you want me to cut my leg, give you joy? Leave me alone now, eh? What is wrong with you? Stay away from me.
You have every right to be angry. I'm only here to let you know I have no hand in what my sister did to you. And to also let you know I love you.
Oh, bros, don't they tap me that thing. Don't they tap me love, I beg. Mama, tell her make it. I go break Bessie hair here. I go break hair. Tell her make it go now. Mama, tell her make it go
my
now.
Prince, please, go. Oh, sorry. Oh, please. Sorry for everything. Ha! That was too much.
Really, it's nothing. A crown prince comes back to the palace wet, And you're saying it's nothing?
I said it's nothing. It's none of your business.
Let me guess. This stupid commoner girl, Omamma, isn't it?
I said it's nothing. So stay out of this. Well, where do you think you're going?
Very good girl with a very good heart. Omamma, get a man. A very good girl with a very good heart. Omamma.
How dare you insult the crown prince of this kingdom? Are you mad? Have you gone bananas?
Amoge, what did you just do? You slapped me.
Of course. And I will slap you again and again for your insolence. Hey! Well, you slapped me. But you look me foolish, Omamma. You slapped me. Do your worst. She came to arrest me, but ended up arresting my mother. Chicken.
What?
Chicken, beg, chicken. Chicken now, beg now, beg.
The thing now is that I don't have any money on me. Hey, I've been working this class's money and they've not paid me yet.
Hey.
What are we going to do?
Chicken, I beg. I don't want my mama sleep for that police. Say, Chicken, I beg now. Chicken, please do something, please. Chicken. Hey. Chicken now.
What are you doing here? Have I not asked you not to come here again?
Oh, come on. That's not a very sexy way of you welcoming your woman. I mean, your woman you've not seen in weeks. Of course I know I traveled to London, but I'm back. Just for you.
Don't you have shame? Don't you have shame? Of course, that's a silly question to ask. Because obviously you do not have shame. Because if you did, you will not be frolicking around the man who has absolutely no feelings for you.
I don't understand.
How would you understand?
Baby, stop. Baby, you're hurting me.
I am not your baby. Let us be the first and last time you ever show your face here again. Because if you ever do, that will be your last time on planet Earth. Get out! Get out!
I'm talking to you. What's going on? Where are you leaving to in such a hurry?
You told me your brother has changed. You asked me to give him a second chance. Yet, he has not changed. He still broke and almost strangled me to death. How dare he? Look, I may have been desperate about your brother. But as it stands now, I don't think I feel the same way. I am leaving and I am calling off whatever agreement we had.
Oh, come on. I told you to be patient.
Have I not been patient enough? No, have I not been patient enough? Yet he's still incorrigible. I can no longer brook his unbridled hatred for me. I am leaving him for good.
My dear Lydia, can you just relax? I will speak with.
Okay, I'm going to talk that silly brother.
Amoge, I'll slap you so hard that it will take you weeks to recover if you don't take your time. Don't play with me!
Slap me. Go ahead and slap me, Obinna.
I'm your elder brother.
Oh, who is dragging age with you? You may be older than me, but you do not have sense.
Don't make me slap you, Amoge. Don't push me.
You can go ahead and slap me, but it still does not change the fact that you do not have sense for throwing away the priceless jewel I brought for you.
Why don't you use this energy that you're using right now to find women that you want me to marry and find a husband for yourself?
Oh, please.
Don't you think you're old enough to be in a man's house?
I am not the crown prince. And if you have sense, you will know that what we're doing is the best for you. You must make the right decision. And we're here to help you since you're already cursed with ineptitude.
I swear to God, I'm going to slap you if you insult me again.
You're going to slap me?
Oh yes, I will!
Because I'm fighting for you to do the right thing by leaving that sordid commoner. But do not worry, very soon the police will catch up with her and lock her up alongside her stupid mother.
Hold on a minute. Did you arrest Oma's mother? How dare you!
this is just the beginning for her. Since she does not want you to leave you alone, she and every damn soul around her will suffer.
The ill wind that blows no good. What are you doing here? What do you want?
I have come again, Aboki, to implore you, like a restless dog, that you do the right thing.
And what is the right thing you're talking about?
You know what I'm talking about, Abogi? The same thing I have been saying is what I'm still saying. Abogi, a wise man shouldn't be told to avoid having fame. The death of our wrongfully crowned king heralds a fresh opportunity for us to do the right thing by bequeathing the throne of Omamma kingdom to the rightful owner.
And who is the rightful owner, if I may ask?
I know it is not Prince Obinna.
Oh no, you are drunk.
Am I? Abogi, the death that will kill a dog always deprive it of a scent. Do the right thing by our tradition, Abogi, or regret it. And remember, your health is deteriorating.
What is happening in this country? Oh? How can they request for 50,000 when we went there with 20,000 naira? A whole 20,000 naira. It's not even as if it's a small money. How can they reject 20,000 naira and they are requesting for 50,000? Is that not wickedness? How can they allow your mother to sleep there because of 50,000? We went there with 20,000 naira, big money. These people are very wicked. Wow.
We're in a very big mess in this country. Especially us, the poor. Just look at what the police are doing to us. Oppressing the poor with the order from that wicked queen and her children. It's unfair.
So like play now. Like play. My own mother is going to sleep in the police section. My own mama go come sleep for police cell. Because of ordinary 50,000 naira no fit afford. Hey! Nkiru, just see wetin poverty don do me. Nkiru, poverty etelem party. 50,000 naira. My mama go come sleep there. Hey!
Mama, just calm down. Okay? I have a friend of mine. And then let me go to him and see what he can help us with. Let me get a loan from him. Alright? Just don't panic. I'll be back. Nugu, I'm coming.
My friend, Chike is trying, you know. He's a very nice guy. Look at how he has been running helter-skelter to make sure that everything is in order. I know that if that guy have that 50,000, he will give it to you to go and visit your mother.
I am not asking anything from Chike. He has been trying for me. I cannot watch my mother sleep in that police cell.
What's going on here?
Leave me alone. Let me be. Leave me alone. Why would I leave us alone? Why would I leave us alone? I want to see the king.
What's going on? What's going on?
Leave me alone. What's wrong have you done to them? Why would they leave my mother and I alone? What's wrong have you done to this royal family?
Mother, she's here. That animal is here, fighting the guards.
What?
Yes.
How dare she? Have my mother and I done to this royal family? I want to see the king. I want to see the king. I want to see. I want to know what.
Hold it! I am calling the police right away.
Imagine the nonsense Obinna chose to be with. A mad dog.
This madness will stop this
Yes,
minute.
mother.
Call them immediately before she gains access in here. Hello?
I rushed to the police station the moment I got the wind of what my sister did to you. I am sorry, so sorry for the embarrassment you got today. And I promise you it's not going to happen again.
Mama. Mama. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. Oh. The prince came right on time. As they were about torturing me, he stepped in and they couldn't do anything to me.
Oh, Mama, I'm really sorry for what you went through in the hands of the police. Mosquito didn't bite you.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. My prince,
Mama,
thank you very much.
you're welcome.
I am grateful.
You're welcome.
But you have to leave my daughter alone. Yes. As you can see, your people are not in support of whatever you have in mind for her. It cannot work. A man does not marry a wife alone. You know that. Please, instead of putting us in trouble here and there, leave her alone. Please.
But Mama, I love
I'm
her.
sure you heard my mother. Leave.
What?
Leave my house.
Alright. I'll leave.
Friend, I have to go now. My parents will be looking for me.
Thank you so much, my friend.
You're welcome.
My God will bless you for me.
Bless you too. Come here. So let me just hurry up. You know it's been long. Let me just go.
Okay, please. Bye-bye. Greet your mother for me, eh?
You rescued the mother's release. And upon that, you restricted the police I sent to arrest her. May I know why?
Oh, can you please stop? Just stop already. What is going on? Can you please focus on the activities of this kingdom? Why are you so bothered about the commoner like that?
You think you can defy my orders? For that reason, you are grounded indefinitely.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Mom, you are grounding me.
You think I can do that? Is that what you think? Watch me.
Oh, please, Mom. Stop playing. Good night, Mom.
Obinna, I am not joking.
I never said you were joking. Good night.
You don't late. Thank you so much for today. Thank you.
Are you trying to mock me?
Mock you? How now?
Why are you thanking me? I didn't do anything.
Chike, the moment you heard my mother have been arrested by the police, you left everything you were doing and you still there here till now. And you're telling me you've not done anything.
All I did was to stay by your side now. What I'm talking about is money. I couldn't even help you out with money. And that's an embarrassment on my side.
I understand.
Those ordinary 50,000 naira, I cannot even come up with 50,000 naira. It's I don't know, I'm so ashamed of myself.
Chike, you know say I don't like am when you start to talk like this. I don't like am. You are not poor. You're only waiting for the right moment which God have ordained for you. So no dey worry, worry.
It's okay. The right moment. When would the right moment be? When? Is it when I'm old? Huh? It's embarrassing now. Just look at me now. At my age, I can't boast of anything. It's shameful.
Chike, I can see you overwhelmed by the stress of today. Go home and sleep. Maybe tomorrow you'll be fine, Just go.
I want to ask you something. Why is it that the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer? Like, life is so unbalanced.
Chika, don't tell you say you know poor. You're only waiting for the right moment, which God will still do it. Don't worry, go and sleep. Good night,
Good night.
Don't
Good
morning, Mama. I'm fine, just that I had a slight headache yesterday, but I'm fine this morning.
Hi. Sorry,
It's okay, Mama.
Thank God you're better. I was speaking with my sister Nenna that lives in Aba. She agreed for you to come and stay with them a little. And she even suggested that you can learn sewing. I mean tailoring.
Mama, who will I now leave you with?
Mama, your mother is not a baby. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I mean, I cannot possibly leave you here alone. I'm not going anywhere, hence I'm not leaving you with anyone.
Oh, Mama, you know you need to leave this town. You need to go far away from Prince and his wicked family. You are all I have. I wouldn't want any bad thing to come upon you. Please, just don't worry, I'll be fine. Oh?
Mama, do I look like a coward that will see challenges and start to run away? Listen, Mama, the prince and his family can only try to intimidate me, but I will never succumb to any nonsense. I am not leaving this village, and if at all I'm leaving this village, it must be with you.
Mama, please. We need to go away from this people. I'm tired of them, and I know you are too.
Mama, I am not living without you now.
Oh, Mama, honestly, you need to consider this.
See me see wahala. To love una by force, so can you? I be you want make I kill myself.
My prince, the queen instructed us not to allow you out of this palace.
What do you mean by that?
She locked the gates and took away the keys.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the meaning of this, Mom? What's the meaning of this?
going on where? Which part of your grounded didn't you understand from last night's conversation?
How can you have the crown prince of a kingdom grounded? What has it happened before?
You shut your mouth. How dare you raise your voice at me? Have you lost it?
Mom, you have no right to restrain me. No right whatsoever.
I have every right as a king of this kingdom to do anything necessary to put my son's head in check. I have every right to do what necessary to make sure that my son doesn't bring shame and disgrace to this household and the entire kingdom at large.
And you think by grounding me, you get me to your limit, right? What do you take me for? And you think by grounding me, you have me to do your bidding, right? What do you take me for? A boy. Now listen and listen good, man. If at the end of today, I'm still grounded, you have to look for another son to wear that crown because I will cease to be your son.
I am the queen of this kingdom and I have every right to grant you. I have every right to get it granted. I have every right to everything necessary. My son's head in check. Not your little lot.
What if he proposed to you? Yes, Giants don't know. So I've seen the way both of you are looking at each other. I know you guys love each other.
I don't know what you're talking about. So it doesn't talk. Kira, I don't know what you're talking about now.
How will you know? Eh? Now is that chicken is a very nice person.
Are you put on? Yes. Oh.
Yes, Mama. Let me help you take it to the village market.
Oh. I thought you said you have a job to do.
Yes, Mama, but I need to take this to the village market before going to the morning.
Let her help you.
Let's go.
It's very heavy, Mama, so let her help you.
Where? Why? Don't let it go.
I can't believe you let him go. After telling us he's grounded.
Like I was so surprised seeing the guards opening the gate for him. What happened, Mother? That was not our agreement.
Not at all.
He's a crown prince. I mean, he threatened to relinquish the throne if I do not leave the restriction on him. I can't get him angry to the extent of abandoning the throne. What are we fighting for then?
Mother, I cannot believe that you allowed his empty threats to get at you.
Like seriously. He needs the throne. Don't you for a second think that he will abandon it? Mother, he was just calling your bluff. I mean, you should be smarter than him. He's your son.
And I have a girl coming for him today. She's already on her way. How could you let him go?
Listen, enough. Enough of the blames, girl. I am not the problem here. All you should be doing is finding the girl who is making him act this crazy and stupid. She is the problem. So look for a way and get her out. That is what you should be doing.
My brother does not want you.
Yes, I know.
Right?
Yes.
But you want him.
I do.
You want to be the future queen of this kingdom?
Yes. I want to be the future queen. There is nothing I want more. I just need you to help me get it.
I can't help you. You're the one to make that happen. You. Everything depends on you.
Okay.
Don't fail me.
I won't. I promise you. I will not fail you.
You're a woman. The ball is in your court. Think smart. Let's go.
Destiny can be delayed.
Welcome once again, my fellow elders.
Thank you.
Thank you. No.
I call this meeting to remind us that the kingship of Omamma kingdom is rotational and should rotate to the rightful heir to the kingdom.
But oh no, the son of our late king is there and is ready to take his father's throne.
We all know that his father was not the rightful king. Aliozo connived with Abogidi and they took the throne from the rightful heir, which all of us are witnesses to.
Oh no, but we all agreed that he should rule since Esin decreed that the gods are in support of his installation. Oh no, are you bringing this up now? Do you want to cause disunity within our people? Huh?
The kingship to the throne of Omamma is birotational. The truth cannot be hidden forever. The person whom the gods chose was denied of his right to the throne. This is another opportunity for us to right the wrong. So please, let us use this opportunity well.
Are you saying we should challenge the Abogidi?
Abogidi is corrupt and evil. We all know it.
Olo, how can you spread such profanity on Abogidi? Have you lost your mind?
You see, as you know to the late Igwe Aliozo, I have waited patiently for an opportunity like this to come. And here it comes. The gods are not happy with our choice of a king. And this is another opportunity for us to right that wrong. We cannot let this opportunity pass us by. So, let us not allow Abogidi to push us into crowning the late Igwe Aliozo's son, king. It cannot happen again.
Who are you? And what are you doing here?
I'm the one that God sent, you know, to fulfill your heart desire.
Leave my room right now.
Oh, come on. I know they say you're so hard to get. But I bet you've never seen anyone like me before.
Stop.
Why?
Right now. Leave my room. I will not warn you again.
Oh, come on. You feel it?
Stop!
Okay. Let me pour you a glass of wine to calm your nerves.
You don't listen.
I bet you love.
Get out! Now!
Out of my room right now! Get out! Get out! Out! Out!
Wait!
If I can't get you willingly, I will get you by force.
Mama, I saw you got married to the prince. Eh?
It was all in the dream. I was even wondering that kind of dream.
Mama, of all the dreams, not to see me marry the prince. Mama, I don't like this one. I don't like this dream. In fact, if not be say you be my mama, for tell you make you go re-dream.
Wow. Hey, you know, if not that the prince's family is against him getting married to you, honestly, I hold nothing against him asking for your hand in marriage.
Mama, you and I know that I have no atom of feelings for the prince. Besides, nothing good can come out of the prince. Not even his family. And I prefer Chike.
But you said he has not yet proposed to you.
That is because he's still struggling. He's yet to settle in life. See, Mama, let me tell you. If Chike hits money, if Chike make money, Chike will take you and I out of this village to a very big city. He will take care of... Mama, you know Chike now. I don't like this dream.
Since you said he's still struggling, that is why you have to consider the prince who is not struggling. Huh? How long will you wait for a struggling man?
There is always a day for a struggling man to stop struggling. Mama, whether you like it or not, I will never marry the prince. I will never. That is final. Which kind of dream is that one? Mama, if not joke, stop and move.
What were you thinking? Hitting my brother with a bottle on the head?
I'm so sorry, my princess.
You're so sorry. Do you realize what you've done? He is the prince of this kingdom and soon to be king.
But you told me to do whatsoever it takes.
Oh, so your whatsoever it takes is to kill my brother.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
My mother would have your head. Leave.
But I want your brother. I love him.
Stephanie, do you have a death wish?
No.
Go now. Now!
Where is that idiot that wants to kill my son?
She's gone.
What? You let her go?
Mom, she's my friend. I couldn't let you hurt her. Besides, Mom, she's sorry for what she did.
Sorry? Do you know that that idiot almost killed my son? Do you? What are you talking about?
Mom, like I said, she's sorry. I told her to do whatever it takes. It's my fault. I'm sorry.
God!
Yes, my friend.
Get her!
Yes.
Mom, shut your mouth.
What's so funny? What are you laughing about? I'm aware that you and Amogi connived to bring in that crook into my room. But that will be the last of it. Because the next time I see another girl inside my room, I'm going to kill her myself and pin the murder on you too.
I can feel your pain, dear brother. If you had chosen amongst the girls we brought to you in this palace, I'm sure you wouldn't have to be going through all this pain. But instead, you chose a riffraff.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? No, as what? As a pimp? Huh? Because you know a couple of rats out there, you think you know some girls, huh? Did I ask you for a girl? Did I ever beg you for a girl? I know how to get whatever I want. And I can get any woman I want.
Indeed, you wish. You can get any woman you want. Yet the one that you could bring for yourself was a non-entity. An idiot. Classless idiot for that matter. Look at you. Do you even sit back and reason and ask yourself if you're actually thinking straight like someone who has common sense?
I will not have you insult me.
Oh dear brother, you are the one insulting yourself. You are the crown prince and you are going to be made king pretty soon. Yet here you are, acting and behaving like a fool. Don't you dare! If you try that nonsense, I will show you the other side of Ugoma. Don't be stupid.
Witch.
Fool.
Devil.
Idiot.
Cow.
Animal.
Baboon.
Monkey.
Chimpanzee.
I thought the food is making eternity. Both of us.
I live at my husband.
You're welcome.
No, you should be careful of those elders. People, they are loyal to the palace. And they will never support whatever you are saying.
I don't care where their loyalty lies. The truth must prevail. I can never be a party to unfairness and abomination. Never.
They will strip you of the Onowu title or even do the worst.
Do I look scared?
Ha! I am scared. I'm scared, yeah.
It's your choice to be scared when your husband is not. I can never be scared.
Nah, you know the problem I have with you is that you don't listen to me. See, our lives are in danger. You are putting our lives in danger. By going against the Esin and the elders of the land. Bikonu. Ha!
So you mean I should fold my arms and watch unfairness prevail again for the second time? Never. The wrong man can never ascend that throne again. I, Mbachunam, will make sure of that.
Okwa maka ndu anyị. Okwa maka ndu anyị bikonu. Please. Hi.
What's happening again?
Like I don't understand. What is happening again?
So Oma's mother had the same dream that I had. She saw Prince getting married to Oma. The same dream that I had.
What? Did you tell her about it?
No, I didn't tell her because I'm scared. She might not understand. But now that the mother had the same dream that I had, I'm going to lose this girl.
Oh, is that's what you're thinking? If you're going to lose her, that means you're going to lose her now.
Huh? How do you mean?
You are not being positive. God, you need to be positive about this thing. If you want this girl, you pray to God to help you so you're able to marry her. And see, our advice to do the most important thing now. Honestly. Huh?
The most important thing, like which is what?
Propose to her. Propose to her.
It's not like I don't want to marry Oma. I've thought about proposing, but at the moment now I cannot. I am poor, I am wretched. I've not even eaten this morning, so how am I going to feed Oma?
Look at you. See, no women, they believe on someone who they can trust. Give her a reason to trust you. Time not dey wait for anybody. Time no dey. Give her a reason to be sure that you're going to marry her. Give this girl assurance. Propose to her.
Easy. You are my guy. How can I assure somebody of when I'm not even sure about myself?
Just go and first. At least that one go make her mind dey okay. Maybe saw her some way things go work out. Give her that first assurance first. Then later you find way to other things. What are you the think of not? I don't know other thing will. Unless you just lose this girl. Or maybe you just want to lose her.
No, I don't want to lose her. No problem. I've heard you. Oh, do you think that one is the best idea?
Just tell her, she know. She know.
A very good girl with a very good heart. Omamma, get a man.
Hey, my guy, have fun. What did happen? What did I work for?
The work is finished.
What do you mean by work is finished when the building is still under construction?
Like I said, work is finished. Princess Ugoma paid the contractor to employ laborers herself. So if you want to continue working here, you need to go and meet her. Like I'm just coming back from the palace now, so she asked me to continue work tomorrow. So that is it.
Wait, Dan, wait. We don't talk finish.
Oh, God, leave me alone. They know the first love. I be you want to collect you. As you see me,
Esin, my late husband told me that you both had an understanding. Am I right?
You are right, Your Majesty. And that understanding extends to your son, who will be crowned the next king of this land in few months.
Oh, great. I'm so excited. I mean, you don't know what you said, how it sounded in my ears. So pleasing.
I want to assure you that I have the support of all the elders, except Onu, who is supposed to be dealt with.
You worry your head so much. Mbachunam is just a thing I can deal with at will. Leave him to me, I know how to handle him.
That is good. The next time I will come here, I will come with the message of the exact date of your son's coronation.
Ah! Obuefi, Oliefi, Odiamanara. The Ezemo of our great kingdom. My home owes you our indebtedness. You will be greatly rewarded. Greatly rewarded.
Adam, it's okay. And you forget them.
What thing I do? What wrong have I done to them? Why are they bent on ruling my happiness? Frustrating me, showing me so much wickedness, Mama. Not even that I'm dating their brother. I don't even have any business with him. Why are they doing this to me, Mama? Why?
You need to calm down, my daughter. Calm down. Calm down, okay?
Mama, but this is so unfair. Eh? This is not fair now. Or is it because they are royalty, they not think they can exercise their powers over me? Eh, Mama, this is so unfair.
My dear, all this is because their brother have an eye on you. Huh? And you are a threat to them. And as long as he keeps loving you, you will remain their enemy. That's it.
You see, Mama, all these things will end today. Eh? You see, nobody feel intimidate me, oh. Nobody feel intimidate me. Eh, Mama? In fact, Mama, they come.
Dear! Omamma! Omamma! Oh my goodness. Huh? Why is it that this girl cannot listen to me and leave this town for them so I can rest? Huh? Why is she just fighting with these people when she knows she cannot win them?
You're pregnant?
Yes, my princess.
Who's responsible?
Your brother, the prince, is responsible for my pregnancy.
Are you sure about this?
Very positive about it.
Great. Wow. Very good.
Thank you so much, my
Come
princess.
here.
Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you so much.
You're welcome to the Aliozo royal family. My mother, the queen, will be so pleased to hear this information, but hold on a second. You're very sure that this news is authentic?
Very authentic and very positive. How will I come to you with a fabricated medical report? I'm very, very sure about it.
This is great.
Thank you so much, my princess.
Esin, just give me 1 month. No, by the end of this month, I'll pay you that. See, oh, can go sit there.
I am done being patient with you, Akonaya. Money you borrowed from me since 6 months now, and you don't want to pay me. You see, Akonaya, that goat at the backyard, I am going to sell it. If I sell it, I will collect my own money and bring the little balance to you. I'm telling you, this is too much.
Ezenia, if you tamper with that goat, you have finished me. That goat is the only property I have now. I have left. Just
only one property you have. Yes. And you came and took the only one property I have. Akonaya. You give me my money.
Ezenia, Biko, look at me.
You give me my money.
Mama, what's the happen for here now?
Ask her.
How much you go, Mama?
Ezenia wants to take our goat.
Maka, why?
She's owing me. For more than 6 months now.
Mama, how much you go, Mama?
But I was looking on paying back.
Mama, 20,000. Nah, Mama, I don't have that kind of money. How go take get this money now?
There's no biko. I need my money. Greetings, my prince.
I've been outside, I don't know. Hearing noises.
This woman here she's owing me 20,000 naira. And I over 6 months now. And I am here to.
That's alright. Hey.
Hi.
I don't want to struggle no more. Leave.
My prince, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's nothing. It's alright.
Hi, thank you. Greeting now.
Hi.
Somebody? Hey!
What happened here? Hey! My wife! Somebody help me! God, please. Wait up. Hey, you have killed my wife for me. What happened? Hey, God, somebody help! Help you! Hey, God.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
The meaning of that is she's pregnant for you. You should start making plans to marry her.
I don't understand. Pregnant for who? Hello? Did we have sex or you just being stupid?
Yes, my prince. We had sex the first day I slept in your room, prince.
Liar! Bloody liar!
You don't hate a woman. Don't! Your father never did.
How can she say you had sex with her, Mom? How? But I am not responsible for whatever nonsense you carry in there. Well, is this why you guys called me out here?
I swear to you, my prince, where will I be lying with such a thing? My queen.
Mom, I swear to God I'm going to kill this girl. Don't. I'll kill this girl right here, right now!
Listen, you are going to take full responsibility of the pregnancy and even plan on how to make her your wife.
What?
You heard me?
Never. Do you believe this bag of trash right here? You believe her over me? Mom!
Obinna, hold on. Are you going to disrespect mother?
Well, I don't care! I will not take responsibility for what I'm not responsible for. Never!
Truth. She will be here. Listen, go. No further explanation. You're here, okay? I'll handle it.
Okay, my queen.
Yeah, it's okay, relax. Mother has said she will handle it. She will handle
Go,
it.
Ma. Take her up to the guest room. Let her freshen up into something. Give her food to eat.
What if our brother is right? What if he didn't sleep with this girl?
I have known Sylvia for a very long time. She's been my friend. If she says she's pregnant for her brother, then I believe her. Obinna should start preparing to get married to her.
Why don't we do another medical check to be sure that...
Where is this coming from? No, seriously. Is this coming from a place of jealousy?
Jealousy? Excuse me?
Obviously. Because none of your candidates was able to get the prince to impregnate them.
What nonsense are you talking about? That's a childish statement.
What nonsense! Don't you dare speak to me in such manner again. We are not mates. How dare you?
This is not the last of this.
Meaning? Meaning what exactly? Don't come back here and talk to me. Just look at this stupid girl. I don't blame you. You blame me.
I'm going to give you a chance to be honest with me. Sylvia.
Yes, my princess.
Are you pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant, my princess.
Who is responsible?
Your brother is responsible for my pregnancy, the prince.
I'm going to give you a last chance to be very honest with me. Are you telling me the truth?
My princess, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Your brother, the prince, is responsible for my pregnancy.
God help you if I find out your lie.
He suddenly cannot settle down with desperate liar. He's come back.
Amoge, what are you talking about?
She's lying. I clearly saw it in her eyes. Mom, she's not genuine about the pregnancy.
What's all this about?
I think we all should be happy that we finally found a way to making your brother do what we want him to do.
What we want him to do? To settle down with a woman, but not with that kind of a woman.
Stop
A
already.
liar.
Amoge, stop. Do you hear me? Don't just get me started. Stop. Listen, your brother is taking responsibility of her, and that's final.
That's if there is any pregnancy at all.
Please, don't push it.
No, I don't know who she is. Mama, you don't know who this girl is. And she's definitely not going to sleep in this room.
You're lying. You said this room
Automatically becomes ours as well. And you are going to treat her as a woman who is carrying your child. I do not want to hear any complaint from you. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Do not hesitate to report any ill treatment from me. Good.
Have a good night rest. Thank you so much.
What a dream comes true.
Listen to me. I do not know what games you play. I'm telling you right now, it's not going to work.
You are hurting me like this, and I'm going to report you to the queen.
I don't freaking care. Stop. Don't you come close to me. I do not want this.
You need to stop it. You're hurting me. My prince, I have gone already, can't you see? You are going to get married to me.
That's with me. Buddy, get out.
Where are you going to? You are going to get married to me. Where are you going to?
How dare you shout? How dare you raise a voice?
My wife told me it was the guards you sent to destroy things in my compound that assaulted her. You did this. What I'm yet to figure out is your reasons.
Elders in council and Esin told me of your connivance to deny my son his father's throne. What is your intention?
Your husband was never a true king of this land. And you know it. You sent guards to assault my wife. What are you planning to achieve? What's your aim? Stop me from telling the truth? You know that's not possible. The person that will intimidate me into supporting evil is yet to be born. You assaulted my wife. You will pay for what you did to my wife.
How dare you? How dare you threaten me in my own palace? And when I get you, I will dice your flesh into tiny pieces and feed them to the birds of the earth. Be warned.
My name is Mbachunam, son of Ari Achime.
Get out. Get out.
A very good girl with a very good heart. Omamma, in a man. A very good girl with a very good heart. Omamma, in a man.
Let's go.
Kiri, what is it?
Leave whatever you are doing now, follow me. Chika has been arrested.
Huh? Chika and Kim? Where?
The superman came to our workshop. He told me that I should help him to fix his car. I said, sir, we don't do Benz in this shop. He said he's going to help me, direct me on what to do. I said, sir, no, I can't do that because I don't know what to do. He said he's going to direct me. And I said, okay, no problem with my church mind. I opened his bonnet on trying to see what the problem was. I noticed that the injector was already bad. I'm not going to say, come and see, your injector is already bad. The man came there and started acting drama, saying that I'm the one that spoiled his injector. Sir, I've not even touched your car yet. He started shouting. Everybody gathered. Said that I will pay for the damages. You know how much injector is, Benz injector is. Before I know it, police came. They arrested me for what I don't know.
You can imagine devil and with his temptation. Eh? Chika, I thank God I was able to secure your release.
Hey, Asa, please tell me, how much did the police charge you? Let me pay. Because I know you don't have money.
No, Chika, better forget that one.
Huh?
No go there, forget that one.
No, I need to pay you now because I know you don't have money. Let me just pay.
Chike, you don't define my trouble. I say forget that one. Forget that. Forget that. What matters most is that you've been released. Or should we be talking about how much? Forget that one, my guy. Nah.
Now, wow. People are very, very wicked. Very. I'm very, very sure that man was sent to spoil your day. By landing into such big trouble.
I'm even the stupid person here. Because if I'm not stupid, I don't know what took me to Benz. I don't know. That was the same thing that happened to my colleague. And I allowed it to happen to me again. Benz. I don't just know what took me there.
Chika, you need to be very careful next time.
Wait. But I thank God these police people didn't handle you. Mosquito bites you.
I want to get something clear. You said you are pregnant for my son, the prince.
Yes, my queen.
Are you mad? No, are you out of your senses? What do you mean you're pregnant for me? You almost killed me the other day with a bottle and you sit here to tell me you're pregnant for me. Are you mad?
I'm sorry I did that, my prince. But I had no other option. But we actually had sex that night, we did.
This is ridiculous.
You're ridiculous because she's my candidate.
Hey! Listen up, all of you. I don't know what you girls are up to, but this pregnancy saga that's going on in this palace will not be accepted by me. Never! You must be out of your senses.
No, you are out of your senses for rejecting something so vividly clear. We saw the wound she inflicted on you. Unlike some people who are claiming to sleep with the prince without really sleeping with the prince.
Stop it, Amoge. Stop it. I will not have you insult Sylvia in my presence. What's wrong with you? Her claim was genuine.
Oh,
stop it.
Enough, please. Enough of all this. You know what we're going to do? We are taking the two girls for proper medical check to ascertain their veracity claim. Am I right?
Mom, you're wasting your
time.
No. You're wasting your time.
Excuse me! We are taking them for medical check. How dare you lie to me? How dare you!
I'm sorry, my queen. I'm sorry, my queen. It was all Princess Ugoma's idea.
Excuse me? What? How dare you?
I said it. How shameless can you be? I knew it was all your plan.
But you also had a plan in me lying to the queen mother. You forced me to lie to her.
Okay. Are you mad?
So finally the truth is out. Mom, I'm actually disappointed at you. You allowed those two swines get into your head. I'm not going to sit here and watch this rubbish go on. Enjoy yourselves. Out of my way now!
I'll have both of you punish Lily for lying to me, playing with my brains, and giving me false hope. God!
You said you were going to arrest him. What happened?
I did. But his girl bailed him.
Which girl?
The very girl you were longing for. She wrecked the plan.
How did she do this when she doesn't have money?
Listen, there's no length a woman cannot go for the one she loves. I'm sorry we failed to keep the young man away from her.
We're going to keep pushing. Alright, Ogozie? We're going to keep pushing.
To what end? Huh? To what end, my prince? Why not let this go?
Why would you say this, Ogozie? Why, in the name of the gods, will you say this? Can't you see that my pride has been trampled upon? Who will believe a girl like that
rejected me. I'm going to keep pushing. I'm going to keep fighting until I get her on my bed. Then I'll prove to her that she means nothing to me.
Because me and you know say, the later way they bring me here now. When is your birthday or my birthday? Except saying a special location. So why are we here?
Well, actually, today is a special occasion for me. I brought you here to thank you for everything that you've been doing in my life. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, Oma.
You are beginning to sound funny now. You know say I know they do anything for you, say now you they do for me. So, I will say thank you for everything.
That's not true. You don't know, but you have given my life a meaning, Oma.
So I'm fresh. Thank you so much.
I hope you like it.
I love it. Chi, I'm so happy to have you in my life. Is there anything you want to tell me?
No, not at all. Just enjoy your meat.
Chi, I'll give you some money. Like it. This part is sweet.
Hi. Esin. You're welcome. Hope all is well. I'm surprised to see you. Regarding your health condition.
You should have sent for me.
You know, it's only an ego that can make a hunter go hunting under the rain.
Right.
I've come to see you for something very important. Onu has been going around the village spoiling your son's name, destroying his chances of becoming the next king of this kingdom.
What?
Yes.
Then I shall have him destroyed immediately.
No, don't make such move. If anything happens to Onu, there will be agitation and the people will revolt against the royal family. I think the right thing to do is for your son to get a wife and start to make other preparation for his coronation.
Esin, my son is yet to find himself a wife.
You are a tigress. If your son cannot find a wife, find him one. Let it happen as quick as possible. I'm sure you wouldn't want your worst enemy to become the king of this kingdom.
Never. Never! No one. Not even the spirits unknown can come between my son and the throne of this kingdom.
Make hay while the sun shines. You and I know the truth about this throne.
This particular confession is hard. I failed on telling how I feel about her. I failed. Chike,
in God's name is wrong with you? Chike, what did they worry you? You promised me you would tell her your mind this time around. What was the essence of that date?
I promised you now, but it's not easy now. I don't have that mind. I feel it's not like I'm happy. I'm not happy. But bro, it's difficult. I guess we should just give her more time. Let's give her time.
Timer. Keep giving her time. Don't worry. Keep giving her time. But another man will carry her away. Continue.
That was not possible.
Oh, it's not possible.
Yes, it's not possible now. Both of us know now. It's not possible. What if she refuses? What if she declines my proposal? I'll now look like a mumu, abi?
Why would she do that? Why on earth would she do that? Even a blind man can sense that you both have a bond together. Your affection is close. It's tight. She can just tell her your mind.
Omo Izu.
And the sense as maybe I see that this poverty they join their affect so.
It not be poverty something. If you're in my shoe, you will do this. Like, this girl is fine. I don't even have that mind to even come and be telling her that kind of a thing.
You know fine. Why you feel like this?
Omo, money be fine, Bobo. Don't forget. I don't get money.
Talk your mouth first. Person not get money, go get mad. You know if you all lose two things like this. Which kind of man be self? Only you don't get mad, only you don't get money. Sure? The person you don't get mad, supposed to get money. When you don't get money, you get mad.
No problem. I will tell her next time.
Oh, now.
Yeah, bring the tools now.
I don't know.
See,
you never tell her now. Even person with black, they go know so that you love tight. It's tight. Tell this person this thing.
Don't hear. Guy, give me tools now.
Now whether this way you promise that time.
My prince.
Mama, greeting.
What are you doing here by this time of the night?
I came to see your mama.
Is she aware that you're here?
I don't think so.
Hi. I shall fetch her immediately.
You're still here.
And I'm still going to be here, even if it's going to take me forever.
Obinna, what did they worry you now? What is Mama leave me? What is wrong with you? Why have you chosen to disgrace and belittle yourself before a commoner like me? I just say you get sense, so Mama.
Omamma, I love and cherish you so much. I don't mind giving up my rights to the throne just to make you happy.
I can see you're sick in your brain, Mama. You see, I bet come they go. Come they go before your people go they find Mama, leave me now. Come they go before your people they find you. I don't want trouble, cha.
Oh, yeah, wait.
I'm going to sleep over here. I don't care anymore.
Good night. Priscilla, I don't love you. Leave me alone now. Love now by force, Mama. Not by force. See, I command you to leave my compound.
Wait.
Leave my house.
Let me handle it.
Mama, tell him to leave. Else, I will do something he will regret.
Let me talk to him. Wait, it's okay. My prince, come and start going. It is late. Maybe tomorrow you come back.
Mama, good night.
Huh?
Mama, I don't want trouble. Me, I don't want trouble. Tell her make it they go now.
He will go. Just
tell her make it they go.
He will go. My prince, but you have to go. Look at it's dark.
As you see me, I know they taking nonsense here.
What about the one assigned to chaperone him around?
He didn't go out with him. He ordered him not to leave with him this afternoon.
And you all allowed him leave? You allowed him leave without guards? You all will punish for this. All of you!
Sorry, my queen.
Sorry for yourselves! Nincompoop.
Mother, none of them knows the whereabouts of the prince.
Can you see? Just imagine the height of incompetency. All they know is to eat my food. You allowed him go out without guards, knowing the risk he's putting himself leaving this palace without a guard.
He can only be in one place, which you, my mother, knows very well.
Where were you and why were you not taking my calls?
Now, which of those questions am I supposed to ask first?
Do not get on my nerves. Don't.
Fine. I went out to have a drink with my friend. Why am I even explaining myself to you? Accord me some respect. I am the crown prince of this kingdom.
Will you shut your mouth, Bob? Just shut your mouth, Bob. Haven't you done enough? Aren't you supposed to be ashamed of yourself? Haven't you brought enough disgrace, dishonor, and disrespect to this palace? When will you stop? You're supposed to be around and available when needed as a crown prince. Well, Esin was here with a message. Your succession to the throne is being contested. Yes, and I'm afraid it might get stopped.
Well, no one in this kingdom has the nerves to steal my inheritance. The throne is mine by right.
You do not underestimate the power or plans of your enemies because they can go to any length to get what they want. And in that note, Esin has forwarded the date of your coronation in order to avert their plans, meaning that you, as a king and making souls to get married as soon as possible.
Alright, fine. I follow.
You do?
Yes.
Oh.
Did I not warn you to warn your extremely stupid daughter to stay away from my brother? Did I not?
You did, my princess. My princess, I warned her, but she wouldn't listen.
She wouldn't listen. Alright, this is going to serve as a serious warning to her. Go into that house. Whatever clothes you find, bring it out here. Now, be very quick about it. Not a word from you. Shut up! Commoner! You don't speak while I speak. Trash. Why is taking you so long? Will you use the whole day? I said come out here with the clothes. Drop them there. Burn everything. All of it. Will not repeat myself. Burn those clothes. Now.
This is all I have. Please, don't.
If you touch me.
Oh God!
Light those racks up, my friend!
Please, don't do this! Please, don't burn my clothes, please!
I don't talk to commoner. Shut up!
Oh God! It's this is all I have! My princess, you said
your mouth or I personally slap you.
My son, please! Please!
Did you hear what I said? Dummy, shut this idiot up! And then if I hear you,
this is all I have. My princess, please help! My son!
Shut down my phone while personally slapping.
You know you're being childish with this attitude of yours, right, Amoge? I've been noticing your sudden anger and hatred towards me. You've been avoiding me. Why exactly?
Mind your business.
Is it because our brother didn't choose any of our candidates as a wife? Must we quarrel over it? I mean, we're both fighting for what is right for him. Why the hatred?
Like I said, mind your business. You can't tell me you didn't have a selfish interest in projecting your candidates with the news of false pregnancy.
I was deceived by her. But yours was a deliberately concocted pregnancy story from your candidate.
As usual, you like saying what you don't know. Stay away from me for the last time.
Come on, Amoge. We can both work for the collective interest of our brother. He needs to pick a wife immediately before he can be crowned king. Listen, let's get him a wife. What about Lydia?
Mama, what happened?
Give my clothes.
Mama, how? Mama, what are you doing? Mama, heads will roll today. Mama, I've had enough of it. I'm going after that wicked princess for doing this to my mother. Mama, leave this. Mama, no! You cannot stop me on this one, Mama.
Leave
Mama,
no! It's a lie.
Mama, you cannot stop me on this one. Mama, leave this knife. Mama, you cannot stop me on this one. I am going after her now. Mama, leave this knife. Mama,
you are not going anywhere.
Mama, I don't want to hurt you. Leave this knife.
You are not going anywhere with this knife, Mama. Hey God, what am I going to do? Omamma! Come back here! Omamma, I said come back! Please come back! She just left! Oh my God! Omamma!
Now this is the opportunity for me to be with a woman I love so much. Mom, you said the Esin wants me to get married. Fine. Let us get ready so we'll go see Oma's people and finalize marriage rites.
Can you just listen to yourself talk? My goodness, I'm ashamed of you.
My friend, will you shut up? I said shut up!
Well, at this point, I don't care where you pick a wife from.
Are you supporting him to marry that cursed girl?
Now, yes. My interest is for him to secure the throne of his late father, because our enemies are trying to overthrow him on that throne, and I cannot sit down and be talking about anything that has nothing to do with him picking the leadership of this community. That's my take. The leadership of this community.
Thank you very much, Mother.
What?
Girl, whatever you call yourself, come out and face me! Come out! Amoge! Mad dog.
see that mad dog in action. So you have the guts to burn my clothes. Aquam!
What is this monkey talking about?
You're calling me a monkey? Me a monkey? If only these two fools stopping me will allow me beat you blue and black.
You know, it brings tears of shame to my eyes every time I see the very thing my brother chose as a wife. Among all the beautiful ladies in this kingdom, a local mad dog, Nketa Allah, that's what he chose.
Allow me to deal with this girl.
My queen, I hope all is well. We don't president visit.
Akunne, all is well. I come in peace. I'm sorry if my visit upsets you. It's all about Omamma, your daughter. You see, my son, Obinna, the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, has already told me a lot about Omamma. I came to formally make you understand that I will support my son to the very last point to make sure your daughter sits on the throne of this kingdom as the next queen.
My queen, where is this coming from?
I don't understand.
Why the sudden change? Please, is there something I need to know?
Akunna, drop the pretense. You and I know that my husband, the late king, hurt your family in the past. I've come to make amends. Listen, I am sorry for all the embarrassment. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive. I will make sure your daughter Omamma gets what rightfully belongs to her. That I swear with everything I hold there.
I don't understand. You said you want to get married to her.
Yes.
We both know what you want from her, and it's certainly not marriage.
Yes, Agozi. I am going to marry her to achieve my dreams. I must. I repeat, I must get into her pants.
Wait. You're willing to get married to the wrong woman just to get into her pants? My prince, is everything alright with you upstairs?
Yes, Agozi. Everything is alright with me upstairs. It is what I want, and I will get whatever I want. If she agrees to marry me today, I will marry her right away. Right away.
Today?
Yes, Agozie.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Obodo dị mma ngwa wepụ agụgọ n'okwu n'ụka ọkwenye Chimeleze ga-abụlili eze nwanne m adịghị eze ọzọ
My prince, welcome.
Good afternoon, Mama. My love, I heard what happened. And it breaks my heart to know that my sister, my blood sister, is the one who's hurting the love of my life. I am so sorry for what happened. And so I went out of my way to get you these beautiful clothes. Expensive ones. Please, I beg you, accept this token
from my heart to you.
Leave here at once.
My prince, please, thank you very much for the clothes.
Leave here at once.
Thank you very much, my prince. Thank you. But you can leave now, as she said. You know, you have put us in too many trouble. No need for all this. Please go. Huh?
I've been asked to take a wife. And it will please my heart to take your daughter here as my bride.
My daughter?
Yes. And I'm ready to marry her as soon as possible. Hence, I have your blessings.
Ma.
She rejected me after all my efforts, all my dedication, after all the sacrifices. She rejected me. What do I have to do to make her mine?
Nothing. Nothing, son. Unless you've seen how pointless it is being with her and hoping that she will do the right thing by settling with you. Believe me, I made up my mind before now that even if she's the one you're bringing home as your bride, I will accept her wholeheartedly. Reverse is the case. All I wanted is for you to secure the throne, and I don't care how you do it.
I want to make her my wife.
It's clearly pointless. You have to make another your wife. Choose another bride, else we are going to lose the throne. And I can't allow that to happen. And I might just have the right woman who is ready to be your wife tomorrow.
Thank you. Can you imagine my mother encouraging me to marry the prince?
What?
She said since he's ready for marriage and the marriage is going to bring peace into our home. I don't understand my mother. Can imagine.
But you don't love him.
That's it. I don't love him.
Wow.
I don't even need him. Nkiru, this is the reason why I need to work hard, save up and take my mother away from this village. These people have succeeded in intimidating my own mother. My own mother.
Sure, that prince is mad though. Like someone you barely know and you're asking her to marry you. Where is it on?
According to him, he said he has been asked to take a wife, and that wife is supposed to be Moa. Me, Nkiru. I would never, I repeat, think or even consider him as a husband.
You can't even marry that arrogant prince. Never.
Chike, Mama, this is not the right place for me to have this conversation with you. The situation has made it so. Tell me the truth. Do you really love my daughter?
Mom, I don't know what you're talking about.
This is time for you to tell me the truth. Be honest to yourself and me. If you have the intention of marrying my daughter tomorrow, this is the right time. Not only to make your intention known, also, this is the time to do the needful.
Mama, why are you telling me this?
Because the prince wants to marry my daughter. So this is time for you to know what you want. If you know what you want, it is now. I can no longer face the threat that is coming from the palace. I can't.
to present to you my good friend Lydia. I hope she's pleasing enough to be your wife and to be the future queen of this kingdom.
Well, thank you very much, sis.
Welcome.
Lydia.
A pleasure.
It's good to have you back.
In that case, we don't have to waste further time. We need to jump into marital rights. Am I right?
Of course.
Good! Wedding bells.
Mama, what is wrong with you? Mama, what has come over you? You know that it's over my dead body will I marry the prince. I am not supposed to meet with Chike for any reason. Mama, what are you thinking?
What are you thinking, Mama?
Omamma, I needed to end all these things. The trouble is too much. Huh? I needed him to come and do what he can do so that the prince will take his eyes off you. Huh? I needed to end all these troubles now so I can have peace in
Oh, Mama, to hell with the prince! I don't care! I still say and maintain the fact that I will not marry the prince. I will not have anything to do with the prince. Hey? Mama, how can you just go to Chike, someone that has not even proposed to me? Mama, you just push Chike and that's not what I want.
Omamma, you know, he has to come. He has to come and do the needful. Even if he doesn't have money now, let him just do introduction. By that way, the prince will know that you're a married woman. And he will take his eyes completely off you. What do you mean? Nothing more.
Mama, I am not happy with you. Mama, messy go things up. I'm not happy with you, Mama.
What do I do? Huh? Chike married. Chike doesn't want to marry. Allow prince to marry. No way. I don't mean any harm. Huh? And she's blaming me.
Chinke, I am so sorry for whatever my mother might have done to you or even said to you. So silly, I'm disappointed in her. Eh? How could she say such a thing to you? Biko, Butu, Butu Kene, please.
You know, I was wondering what came over her. But then I realized that the pressure is already getting high. I didn't expect things to get to this level. But I don't really blame her like that though. I don't blame her at all.
She has no right to say whatever she might have said to you. She has no right. Man, it's very, very wrong now. It's wrong. Biko, man.
You have to stop apologizing. It's okay. Okay? I didn't know that things is going to get to this level. God knows that I would have done the right thing before now.
My mother and I know how you have been helping us. How you have been assisting me. In fact, she knows that if you have much, you will do more. Biko, on behalf of me, Bahara Butu o Butikene.
It's okay. For my sake, you just have to forgive your mother, okay? Alright? It's okay with me.
What's what you know?
What's Nobi?
Man! My guy. So what's up now? Kenchaboom.
Oh man, I don't know, man.
My love.
Stop.
Why?
Who's your love? You must be out of your mind.
I don't understand. I thought we...
You thought what? You think I'll beat you on this bed if not that my inheritance to the throne was threatened.
But you said you love me and you want to take me as your wife.
Oh yes, I want to take you as my wife. That doesn't mean I love you. Have sense.
Oh my God. I can't believe you just said that to me.
It's a freaking business. Just make sure you don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come on, please.
I said don't you touch me. Don't try it.
And the moment has finally come, just as I think.
What moment are you talking about?
When the love of your life will slip through your fingers.
But Omamma is still with me.
I know. For now. The question is, how long will she continue to wait? Now the priest is out to get her as a wife. I say until they start.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Because I don't have any money to go and do marriage with or propose to Omamma. I don't have money anywhere. I don't have anybody that can still borrow me the money. What am I supposed to do? Should I steal?
Chike, all my type is rare to find.
I know.
She has been waiting for so long already. She has waited for so long already. You should do whatever it takes to get her as your woman. Yes, whatever it takes.
Quit the pretense, It's already of common knowledge that you are against me assuming my place on the throne.
I don't need to be against you, my prince. The gods are against you because the blood that flows in your vein is not of royalty.
What are you talking about?
Your father was never the rightful king of this kingdom. He bought his way to the throne. Your mother and the Esin are aware of this.
That's a lie. That's a big fat lie.
My prince, if you can come with me, there is a seer we can visit. He will reveal to you everything you need to know about the throne.
Enough. Enough! Right now. How dare you say such things about my father? My father was an upright man.
Yes.
How dare you?
In your eyes, my prince, your father was a good man. In your eyes and in the eyes of many. But he was never the true king. He was never chosen by the gods. He bought his way to the throne. Like I said, if you can come with me, we can pay a visit to the seer. Or any other powerful seer you know.
Chuba, help me! Chuma!
Your late father legitimately claimed the throne, but he didn't do it on his own. For an evil as heavy as that to be hatched and executed requires the help of the chief priest and the kingmakers. He sought their help, and with his money
he was able to have an easy and speedy ascension to the throne.
I don't understand. If my father is not the chosen king, then who is?
Good question, my prince. But Patience, please, while he unravel to us what happened in the dark. It is with patience that snow passes through the thorny path. Ubefi, please continue.
Mazi Ezekaku is the rightful heir to the throne of your kingdom. And that's in accordance to the rotation system of the kingship. He was to be made the king, but your father took interest in the throne and bought the minds of the chief priest and the kingmakers. And they speedily crowned him. And Ezekaku died immediately your father was coronated.
Oh God. A man died because of what my father did.
Now you know the truth.
The gods of your ancestors are angry and have decided to meted punishment to whoever sits on that throne. Anybody that sits on that throne will die immediately. As I speak to you now, the chief priest of your kingdom is dead. I will advise you, desist from that throne. If you want to live, desist.
Ogbuefi Nanyolugo. Ezekaku did not leave an heir behind when he died. He only has a daughter. Please, how do we go about this?
The daughter is the chosen one by the gods. And any man she marries will rule side by side with her.
Come on, Lydia, you can't go. Not when my brother is ready to take you as his wife.
Your brother is only ready to do what people ask him to do, or what is expected for him to get the throne. As for him having feelings for me, he doesn't. And he has vowed never to have any feelings for me.
You should not be moved by what my brother said. He's used to speaking carelessly. But not to worry, my dear. With time, he will accept you as his wife. Okay?
Look, I appreciate all you've done for me. I really do. But I cannot marry a man who doesn't have any feelings for me. I cannot marry a man I cannot touch at night.
Lydia, I know how you feel. I'm a woman. Listen, as soon as my son returns, I will speak with him. He will definitely change his attitude towards you. Trust me.
I'm sorry, my queen. Maybe I have to wait in my house till when he is ready to take me as his wife. I have pride as a woman, but the prince has messed that up. I think it's right I wait for him till when he is ready. I'm very sorry. I have to go.
You see what Obinna has cast? You see it? Now we've lost this one.
Because I'm watching you. Ooh, nothing is hidden under the sun. Destiny can be delayed. With some more time, it must come to pass. Okwenye chimeleze kabweze ha. Wande madia zezaza. Adia zezaza. Adia zezaza. Okwenye chimeleze kabweze ha. Adia zezaza.
Mama. Omamma, mommy. Please. I understand you've been avoiding me because of what I told Chike. Please. I am apologizing. I'm very sorry. I meant no harm. Please. Forgive me. You know you don't know my story. You don't know what I have been through in life. Mama, see, when your daddy died, I suffered so much just to make sure I take care of him. Mama, do you know that I sold him pork? I sold him pork. I even sold Ogo. You know Ogo, the boy, I sold it. I hawked everything hawkable to make sure I take care of you. You don't know what it means for a woman to raise a child single-handedly. I toiled all by myself day and night to take care of you. At a time, my people were even advising me to marry another man, but I refused because of the promise I made to your father. Please, all I wanted was to make sure I raise you to the woman that you have become today. So you should know there's no how I would want to watch you enter into trouble or suffer like I did. Please, you can't be avoiding me now that I need you most. I can't.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. Don't do now. Don't do, Mama. You know, I know they like see tears for your eye. I know they like see tears for your eye. Clean am. See, Mama, I understand you meant well for me. And you want my happiness. But Mama, not before we are prince today now, I know like that. Mama, something tells me that his intention towards me are not genuine. I don't need them for my life. So anytime when you mention them, they turn my brain.
Okay, my dear. Henceforth, I promise you anything at all that is your decision. That's what we will follow. I like you, Mom. Oh. Come on. So we are in peace now. Thank you. Mama, mommy. I should go and relax.
A very good girl with a very good heart.
How could you allow Ono to get into your brains? That man has made himself the enemy of the throne that is rightfully yours. Don't you know he could go to any length to get your throne? Although I underestimated him. How could you allow him fool you this much? To this extent?
Mom, it was not to know that gave me that message. It was a powerful seer that did.
Oh, whom he has already bribed and influenced to tell you any nonsense that he did?
Same way you and father bribed Esin to get a throne that he never merited.
How dare you?
Swear that what I said is wrong. Say it! Well, Mom, it has been prophesied that once I sit on that throne, I will die.
God forbid! May the gods forbid! Not my son. How could you say a thing like that?
The only way the gods are going to forbid that is if I ascend the throne, the rightful heir to the throne.
And may I know who this rightful heir to the throne is?
Well, I'm sure you know who this rightful heir is. Iche is a Kako. It's late now, but we must find his offsprings.
Where are the guards?
I sent them away.
You did what? I want them to go beat the hell out of Onowo before he's being beheaded at the village square.
And I called it off.
How dare you? Don't you know that this man has made a huge threat to your brother ascending the throne? He's going about bringing chaos in this land.
The question should be, why are you hiding the truth?
What truth do you talk about?
I overheard it all. A discussion with Esin. I was there. Father was never supposed to be on that throne. And now you want my brother to die while ascending the throne? Never. Not on my watch. I will not let you destroy my brother's life just because you want him on that throne.
Amoge, you are talking to the queen of this kingdom. What has come over you? Do you want to tell me that you believe in that nonsense prophecy? You should know that your brother was deceived.
All I know is that my father was never supposed to be king. Like I said, I will not let you destroy Obinna's life just because you want to cling to power. If you so much want him to sit on that throne, why don't you look for the daughter of the man who was supposed to be on that throne?
Am I supposed to be the only one searching for everything to make this whole? Why?
Oh, I'm here. Where are you going?
I'm going to my parents' house.
To do what? Why? What's going on?
I can't stay here anymore. I am going back to my parents' house. I can't do it anymore, people.
You are joking, right?
Who is joking with you, Geoffrey? Eh? Who is joking with you? See, I can't continue living in a constant life of losing my life. All because of your actions. No.
Wait, so you mean you are leaving me because I refuse to support it?
You are indeed a noble man to stand for the truth. But the truth is that the people you are standing against, they are very, very powerful. And they can destroy us. Yes. See, I don't want to die, you. I don't want to die. So that is why it's better for me to stay in my parents' house where I'm sure of my safety. Anyway, I've already taken the children there. I'm only waiting for you to come back to inform you before leaving. So, when everything is over, you can come and carry us. That is only if you are still alive. Okay, I am leaving.
I got a job that paid me 120,000. So I'm going to use the money, for my marital process.
Marital process of what?
You know, family problems is coming out every day, so I don't want anything that will take the money from me. So I want to use the money to, do a proper introduction.
Okay. So you don't get bride. Why you just tell me say you want go marry? So I just dey tell you congrats now. So I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oma, don't you know that you're my bride?
I don't know. Even Nana I dey hear am. In fact, person don't engage me. As a matter of fact, they come do introduction for my head next week.
What?
Oma, why? Why would you do something like that to me now?
What do you mean? That me and you don't know Chike. And you don't tell me your intentions towards me. Ah, my guy, you fuck up now. You fuck up.
Oma, I thought you knew now.
I won't take no idea your mind. Eh? God, person don't engage me.
See, Oma, you have to return the bride price to them. Or whatever they paid, you have to return it to them. Eh? Why would you go and collect ring from someone else now? Eh? What is funny now? Why are you laughing?
So it is say I go leave you. Ah, my girl, I no feel leave you now. Just that at the very say you tell me, say you don't get bride. That word strike back out for my head. You won't give me heart attack. Eh? So I say make I do you back.
Wait, are you saying all these things are prank? You're pranking me?
I say make I joke with you small. I no feel joke with you.
If not for one thing now, I'll just dash you 500.
What you want to do? You know the fear face.
Do you know in my heart,
guy,
my
calm
heart
down.
really left my body.
If I blow you, you are who they do that one.
Just they do it. Just they do it anyhow.
Not try with me.
Oh,
Chike, I go blow you. No, they do this one.
The kingship of this great kingdom has always been rotational, not succession. Your late father knew about it. But because we are rich and we want to get into power, we conspire with the Esin to take the kingship from the man that is supposed to be the heir to the throne of this kingdom years back. We use money to pave our way into the mind of Esin and the kingmakers. Your father knew about this. You know that someday this will come up. Before he died, he told me so many things, and now I am letting you know about it. But I fear for the consequence after you told me what Asiya said. I thought I would use money to pave way for you into the throne of this great kingdom as we did in the past. I became scared because I do not want anything to happen to you. On that note, I'm allowing you to get married to the daughter of the man that was supposed to sit on the throne of this kingdom years back. It's late, but you can still go for the daughter. Settle with her so that you can continue with the kingship of this community.
I don't believe this. You mean father stole the kingship of this kingdom?
He bought it.
What a shame. Like, that means none of us is actually of royal blood. Oh my goodness, no. No, we need, mother, seriously, we need to do something about this. Obinna, you have to get married to the person's daughter immediately. Please.
So who's this man in question? Who's this man we're talking about?
Ezekako,
Omamma's father.
Oh! So you can't propose to me without a ring?
I didn't know I'll be proposing today. I was assuming...
Assumpta! Uncle Assumpta. You think say me and you would already the date, Abi? Oh! Chike. Most men, why do they like to do this mistake? Anytime where them and woman they would assume that. Say them and the woman they already the date. My guy, don't be like that now. Don't be like that.
You're right. I'm sorry, I didn't think that direction. You know, but my friend Izu, he has been pressurizing me and telling me to propose. But I was scared because I wasn't having money, and I was thinking that if I propose, you would say no because I'm poor. And that is the reason I.
Chike, I just say you know me. Wallahi, I just say you know me. But now I know say, Chike, you don't even know me.
Sorry.
So you think say it's all about money? Chike, if na money now, why for Kukuma marry the prince? Waiting me and you for the do.
Do you know that you're right? I never thought about it like that. But I'm glad that I didn't lose you.
It's okay. Chi.
Yes?
I've accepted you.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
How do that one? I better come out there. The later one I go give you hug. Now when you go bring the ring, come.
I have come to see your daughter, Omamma.
Prince, I will appreciate if you stop coming to my house. Leave my daughter alone. Stop bothering her.
Mama, I understand your anger, owing to the fact that your daughter has been humiliated by my family. But I'm here to tell you that the coast is clear for me to be with your daughter. All is well now.
I don't understand.
What I am trying to say in essence is that my family is out of the way now. As a matter of fact, I have their total support to have your daughter as my wife.
Is this some kind of trick or what?
Oh no, Mama. You know I'll never try to trick you. I am ready to make her my wife. And when I mean ready, I mean right now. I am willing to make her mine.
Okay. Guess what?
What?
He proposed though.
Here's the ring.
Auntie abeg, don't like this. Your blood too dey hot. Position your hair. Now ear they take the hair. Wetin be that one?
Aya, tell me. Just...
They use your ear they hear.
Okay.
So that's the coming down. No. That thing wey you talk that time na true. Say Chike like me, but him dey fear how he wan take propose to me because him dey think say as he no get money, I no go gree for am.
I knew it though. That Chike is the right man for you. And he has shown you that he loves you in so many ways.
You're right though. You're right. Inky, I just want to say thank you.
Wait. Did he kiss you? Did you kiss me? Please tell me
Please stop that. Now so your papa kiss your mama when he proposed to her.
Tell me, people that used to
Abeg, take
propose
time.
used to kiss.
Which kind kiss be that one? You are who they keep your hair before I break am for
Aya,
you.
tell me. This gist, you're not gisting me well, though.
So, which one be say I know they gist you well?
You're
Until
supposed
they
to
calm
tell
down.
me the details of the
No be wetin I dey tell you. Your blood self too hot.
Aya, tell me.
So, wetin I wan talk sef. I just want to tell you thank you. Thank you so much for being a good friend. My God will bless you. Thank you so much. I believe say when Chike go make money, when Chike gets money, so when he finally hits money, my friend, I dey promise you say I will remember you.
Amen.
You are a good friend.
Amen.
More like a sister to me.
Come here, John.
I beg shift.
Take this. Princess, this is too much.
That is nothing compared to what I want you to do for me. And I need you to do a perfect job.
Try. With all this money, Princess, see, I'll do anything.
Good. Because there is much more where that is coming from.
I'll be more. After this one. Princess, command me.
Get out.
Command me, my princess. I'll do anything.
His child rights. Next child. So Jonathan. Nem. Welcome. Because come with one chair. Look at your future. I'll complete this. This Bible passage is very interesting.
Mama.
Nem. Just that the priest was here. And he said that the coast is now clear for both of you to be together.
What is he talking about?
He said that his family has given him the support to go ahead and marry you. Surprise.
Mama, and you believe that? Really? Mama? So you believe what him tell you? I thought I told him never to come here again. Mama, wait till carry him come here. At least I don't tell him make you know they come this compound. Mama, I go break in head though. I go break in head though.
Oh, calm down. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. But what I'm wondering is, why this sudden change? I'm surprised how they suddenly changed.
Mama, even if the whole villagers support him marrying me, I will never marry him. I repeat, I no go marry him. She said na better thing you even come.
Let me continue with my word of encouragement. Habakkuk, chapter 6, verse 5. Oh, where say?
Vultures, elders of Umwakuma kingdom, what are you doing in my house? See, I am Onowu Ndachunam, son of Ari Achime. Go and tell your queen and her cohorts that you cannot succeed in doing her biddings against me. You cannot kill me.
Oh no, we only came to apologize. we are sorry. In fact, we sold our conscience for money. Oh no, we are sorry. We also installed an unworthy man to become our ruler. And we made you his honor. We are really sorry. Okay?
If anyone names him, I feel so ashamed showing up here. But if I don't do this, a heavy punishment awaits me from our gods. We are sorry for concealing truth.
We are just coming from Amangu, where we went to see the seer. Just confirm that it is because of this cause that the gods killed Esin. We are sorry. We are ready to rewrite the wrong.
I have come to apologize on behalf of my family and I. Love cannot be compromised. We should have allowed my brother be together with your daughter, Omamma. But I don't think it is too late to make amends. So we, the royal family, have decided to make peace with your family. At the same time, we have also agreed to accept your daughter, Omamma, as our wife. We will treat your family very well. If there be anything that you desire, all you need to do is just speak and we will make that happen. We will make sure that your family lacks absolutely nothing. Alright? These promises and well wishes are the thoughts of the queen and that.
Oh, Mama. Are you not going with your food? Have you eaten?
I am not hungry, Mama.
But you cannot start to work. You have to eat something. Huh?
Mama, if I eat now, I will feel very heavy. So I will eat immediately I am done working.
I understand. That is why you have to carry the food. Carry the food and go. So that when you're done working, you can eat. Huh?
My darling Omamma, how are you? I came to see you. You know, it would not be so nice that I leave the palace despite all my royalty and come here and then you walk out on me like that. That's not nice. Actually, why I came is to apologize to you on behalf of my sister and I. I know we haven't been treating you very nicely. And this is me saying sorry. Henceforth, we will treat you really well and nice. In fact, you know what? Why don't we go shopping, you know? Get you some good clothing, change this thing and give you a very nice time. Mama, we discussed that already, didn't we? Huh?
What is this all about? Because you know say I don't like pretense. And you know you are not very good at it.
Pretense? I'm not pretending. This is me being real. You know what? I actually want us to be friends. You know, like, more like sisters kind of stuff.
Now listen and listen good. Now listen and listen good. We can never be friends. Cha-cha. Talk more of sisters. So leave me alone. Leave my mother alone. Leave my family alone.
Oh my darling. See, I'll do anything for you. Trust me.
You want to know what you go do for me? Go to hell. Mama, call it now.
Princess, please, I apologize on behalf of my daughter. With the manner she spoke to you, I know that's not right. Please. Oh, please.
luko bodo dima ngwa wekwago no kunuka akwanya tim.
So calm down. Oh. Sorry, I heard about your father Ines. How is he now?
So his sickness have worsened and I need to take him to the hospital.
So what are you waiting for now?
There's no money. I don't have that kind of money. They are calling. So I don't have that kind of money.
Why not meet your friend Omamma? She's your friend.
Oma is really going through a lot right now. And she has a lot of things on her head. I don't want to add to it.
See, so if I tell you something and you say go bring better money, you could do. Talk now. Better busy, better money go come outside. You take treat your father.
Esin, I don't understand what you're talking about.
See, business. Where you go do the thing, money go come outside. You no go treat your father.
Esin, anything to save my father, nah. I will do it. I need help.
Sure.
Mother, there is absolutely nothing that stupid idiot did not say to me. She had the boldness to insult me. That fool, that riffraff, like I practically struggled to hold myself from slapping her for speaking to me with such boldness. Honestly, Mother, if not for the fact that you said I should go there, I wasn't planning to go. Because I already know that nothing meaningful will come out of it. I mean, that girl does not deserve to sit on the throne. She's just an idiot, a common nonentity. If you ask me, I would suggest that we kill that girl and take that throne. I regret going there today. I'm not even going to pretend about it.
You see your problems? I sent you there to go make her your friend. Look for a way to make her become your friend. But no! You went there alongside with your pride. There are other ways to make her your friend. Just calm down and do it, but you people can't. There are ways. So many ways. You don't know.
It's alright, Mom. Amoge and I have a plan.
What plan are you talking about?
It's best I don't let you in on it.
That was how your father died.
Mama, let me get something here. Are you saying that the throne of Omamma kingdom belongs to my father by right?
Yes, now. Yes, but he's late now. It's now a bygone story.
Mama, why you not come tell me all this way now?
Because your father is late. And this thing happened many years ago. And there's nothing I could have done. There's nothing. Igwe Aliozo's death put my mind to rest, knowing that the gods have avenged for us.
Wait, Mama. So the throne that the prince and his family actually brag with is not theirs? Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for keeping this from you. It is a story that I do not like to share. But now I have to tell you about it. I'm truly sorry for keeping it all this while.
Milton.
Well, that was all in the past now. Besides, my father had no head. So, that means the prince can still claim the throne since we don't have male child to contest it with him.
That is the reason why you should marry him.
Nkiru, now you just talk this thing. No, Nkiru. Wait, oh. Now you talk this thing. If for say you know be my friend, I for tell you one thing. But nevertheless, make I just keep quiet. You see, if marrying the prince is the only way to take the throne, then I fulfill the throne.
Omamma, you know I'm only saying the truth. And it's just that you have refused to accept it. Marry Prince Obinna and reclaim what is rightfully yours.
This is the picture of the fool that I want eliminated for me.
Consider it done. When did you want in debt? And how much are you paying?
I will let you know when to go ahead with the plan. But I feel extremely insulted that you're asking me how much is going to be paid. The question should be, how much will you take to get this job done without any mistakes?
It's alright, no problem. Everywhere go, Mama.
It's alright.
What is it? Chim. What is the problem? You haven't said anything since you got here. What is it?
Nothing, I am fine.
Chim, you know you can talk to me, right? What is it?
Oma, I'm scared. Oma, you are of real blood. And I am the one stopping you from claiming what rightfully belongs to you by right.
What are you talking about?
The throne of Umuakuma is yours by right.
Jim, my father had no heir, and I am just a woman. I have no right over the throne. Besides, I am not even interested in the throne. All I am interested in is you.
Oma, but the prince of Umuakuma is interested in you. And he will stop at nothing to make you his woman and his wife. Now, knowing the truth that you are of royalty, it will push him to be more desperate. And you know that I don't have anything to fight him with. I don't have anyone. I don't have anything.
I know they like him when you start to sound like this. I know they like him. Why do they talk like this now? See, Chi, let me tell you. I am not interested in the prince. I don't even want him. I don't want the throne. I don't want this kingdom. All I want is you. You or nothing. So the prince can go to hell. I don't want him.
That is why I love you so much. You know you're my world. And I cannot do anything without you. I exist in this life to be by your side. And if anybody takes you away from me, that will be my end. I love you so much, Oma.
Chi, I want you to have faith in yourself. Have faith in us. Stand by me. Let's fight this together. Be courageous. You become okay. Are you not a man again? What do you do really? Ah.
I'll fight for us.
Sure, you say you go fight for us, Abi? Yes. Start Gidibam. Fighting man to man. No, they do really. Eh?
I'm ready. I will.
I told I warned you never to visit here again.
This is the People's Palace. I am here with a message for you from me.
How dare you start up a conversation without acknowledging me as your queen?
Nebechi, you are not my queen.
How dare you?
Listen to the message from the Kingmakers first. The Kingmakers are giving you and your children till fortnight to vacate this palace, so we can prepare it for the ascension of the heiress and the man whom she has chosen to be her husband. You know, after the death of Abu Gidi, the chief priest, the spirits holding the elders down left. So all of them has regained themselves, and they realize that you and your family are not true rulers of this community.
I thought you're wise. Have you forgotten the phrase? Igbo phrase that goes, Ịgba nke m gbara, agba m ọzọ. Did I remind you that my son is getting married to Ezekako's daughter in order to make him claim the throne of his father? I pray you do better be gone from this kingdom by then, because if you are still around, what I will do to you, even the devil can eat Tofiawa.
Tell your son, I wish him well.
And make sure you leave this kingdom before my son ascends the throne. Else, my boy, kaji.
Hi. You came at the right time. I was even about taking a break.
Wow. So you don't finish, you don't work all these plenty things. Nah.
What thing I go do now? I won't finish them today because you know say the money not day me important.
Abio, as I was coming here, I met your man. He gave me this thing to give you, so I can use it and cool off.
What the palm wine be this?
Palm wine, take.
Yakij why I know.
You see, Tabi?
Chike, very chilled. Chike, I go bless that guy for me.
Amen.
Afa.
Hey, don't finish this palm wine, no. You are still working. See, be doing. I'm coming, yeah? I'm going. I want to go and collect something from your house.
My house?
Yes,
okay.
Don't finish it, though.
I don't wait.
Don't
quick people.
They know they ever so love. I be you want to collect you. As you see me, I know they taking nonsense, yo.
So what will you do now? I don't know. I do not have any insights. That's why I'm here. So you can tell me what to do.
I can't believe a girl you just wanted for sex just for sex is royalty.
There she is. The Onowu and Kingmakers have issued an order that we vacate the palace because we are not royal blood. Agozie, I have lost everything.
No. You can't say that. What of your sisters? What are they doing about this? Because this is no longer your fight. Their status is being threatened. They all need to rise up and fight.
They ruined my chances of marrying her.
Then kidnap her and force her to marry you.
What? How can you suggest something as ridiculous as that? The Oma I know will not do anything at gunpoint. You will have to be ready to kill her.
Then kill her. If the king's ship is rotated to another family, then you fight them.
Agozie, I see you've been exhausted of ideas. You have nothing to tell me. Get out of my car.
But my prince,
I said get out! Now!
Go put your shirt now. You go put your shirt and then you go lie down. No, you are doing it now. It's the man just lie down like this. You go add money, give me, but put my shirt. No worry, now no be money be the matter now. Just put your shirt for then you go lie down. And I will snap a picture now.
Ha, is this one they push shirt? I hope say no go harm am.
No, all the picture go just then you go there and I no be here you go there. Come this side first.
Mama, you're back. What is it? Why are you looking like this?
I don't know what happened though. I was farming. If you will come bring palm wine, come. So I can't take the palm wine. After I took the palm wine, then what of Nkiru?
I've not seen her.
Nkiru didn't come here?
No. So Guinea, tell me what happened.
She brought palm wine for me. Me and I can't deal. I can't sleep. But when I wake up, I no see him.
This is strange. Is it 1 gallon you drank or 1 bottle? Because I know you're used to alcohol. How can you just take your usual palm wine and you're telling me you don't know what happened to you again? What happened, girl?
Mama, you and I know say me and palm wine are 5 and 6. Mommy man have good in the morning. I don't feel drink to stupor like that. Mama, something is definitely wrong.
Abia. Something. Oh God, I'm shocked, Jesus. I can't believe this. Chike, come and see.
See, look at this. Someone sent me this picture. I'm sure this picture is circulating. Eh? Look at it. Hey! Who is this? You're asking me. Are you see the person? Is this our man? Eh? Chike, this girl is not what we think she is. This is what she has been doing behind. Can you imagine?
Oh no, this can't be Oma now. This is not Oma now.
Chike, now she, now she. You know they say I mean, you don't know Oma again. Omamma. Chike, look at this thing now, eh? Chike, do something now. Chike, do something. Ah, she said you study there.
This is not me now. This cannot.
Mama, if this is not you, then who is it? So this is what you do behind my back, Oma. Huh? This is what you do behind my back. That is.
This cannot be me now. I don't know how it happened. I don't know. This is not me.
That is you. You whore.
How dare you? Jim, I don't know. I can't explain this. I don't know how it happened. Something is definitely wrong.
Mama, I trusted you. You told me that I'm the one your heart beats for. But you lie. Mama, you lied. Why are you doing this to me now?
Chi. No, now. This can't be me. It can't be me. Something is definitely wrong. Can't you see it? I don't know. I don't know. This must be a setup.
Mama, you know, I thought you were going to tell me the truth now that the evidence is glaring. But you still stand in front of me and you still lie. Why are you doing this?
Believe me, I don't know anything about this. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know. Me? No. You can't.
You know, now I know why the prince picked interest in you. Because he has a way of discovering loose girls.
Chi, what are you saying? Chi? Jim! Hey! How manage? Jim! Hey!
My plan is already working, Mother. There's trouble between Omamma and the love of her life.
And who could be this love of her life?
A commoner like her. An impoverished fool like that. You know, at first, I was wondering why Oma would reject Obinna's proposal. So I did my research and I realized that for a girl like that to reject the proposal of a prince, it means her heart belongs to another. So I did my research and discovered the riffraff she's rolling with. I plotted a way to separate them. Now, they are separated. So Obinna can go ahead and get her into his arms.
Cheers to this again.
Oh, cheers.
You know, I'm super proud of you. You reminded me so much of your father. Spirit of fighting for what you want and never go for less. That shows that you are more than prepared to ensure that this throne never leaves this household.
Don't trust me, Mother.
I'm proud of you. Name anything when this works. You will have it on a platter. You're really my daughter.
Don't say that again.
Nkiru do this thing to me? Mama, why Nkiru go do this to me? Nkiru was more like a sister to me. In fact, Nkiru na my body. Why Nkiru come side my enemies against me? Her best friend, Mama.
Mama, I still cannot believe that Nkiru will do such a thing to you. Nkiru that I know cannot betray you. Please let us be sure before we start.
Mama, it's obvious now. Eh? Mama, it's obvious. One thing they wear for hand, you don't need mirror to look at. It's obvious. It's obvious that Nkiru has sided my enemies against me. But my question is why?
Omamma! Omamma! Why are you getting sorry now?
This girl finally.
Calm down now. Have killed me. Hey! Why have killed me? Chike, please, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry because it was greed. And I was being stupid. I can't believe I have to sell my conscience fishes for money. Chike, please, I'm really sorry for betraying you, please. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, Chike.
Izu, you of all people know that Omamma is my pride. Izu, you know that Omamma is my joy, the essence of my existence. Izu, you know what I've been through because of this girl. You know! You're not another person, you know! And you have the guts to stab me at my back! And you stand here to tell me to forgive you. Izu, you are wicked. You are wicked.
Chike, please, I'm really sorry, eh? I wish I never accepted the money from the princess when she offered it, eh? But it has happened, please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me, eh? Just find a place in your heart to forgive me, please, Chike.
Chike, I'm sorry too. Please, forgive me. I don't know what came over me. It's Izu. It's Izu. If I know, I wouldn't have listened to Izu. I wouldn't have even collected the palm wine that I took for him that made Omamma to fall asleep. And Chike, please, even right now, I'm very, very ashamed of myself. Please forgive me. I don't even know how to face Omamma again. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Izu, do you know that if they give me an oath to take, that I'm going to do it? Because of the way I trusted you. Do you know that? You see, Nana, completely. Because of money. It's because of money. What is money? Because of money. You sold your best friend. Because of money. Hey!
That's what I'm saying. It will happen again, it will happen again.
Don't worry.
It will happen again.
Yeah, of course, it will never happen again.
Yeah.
A very good girl with a very good heart.
Oma, I figured out that you might still be sleeping, so I decided to wait for you here to wake up. My friend, I came to apologize to you once again. I know that what I did was it's nothing to write home about. I'm sorry for the part that I even played to make you and Chike relationship come to an end, and for coming in between your happiness. I'm sorry, please.
You came to apologize to me. Nkiru, make I ask you a question. Have you ever ask me for anything, I no give you. E get anyhow, like as you take ask me for something, I no do am for you. Except say I no get the thing, abi, or no be say na my own, abi. Wetin make you set me up? Nkiru, do you know that what you did almost cost my relationship with Chike? Or Nkiru?
I'm regretting it.
No, Nkiru, let me get you right. If you had told me that your father is in the hospital and you needed my assistance, that I will not empty my savings.
I know you are not in a position to give me that money at that time. What am I supposed to do?
Did you ask me? How can you even predict? Did you ask me?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Now you are telling me I'm sorry. I want to ask you one thing. If I say that drink, they poison am, and I took it, will you foresee me they tell me sorry?
I'm sorry.
I say that I've forgiven you, but I don't trust you.
What am I going to do? Oh, ma.
No near me. You know say my hair no correct. No near me.
I'm super proud of you, girl.
Oh yes, Mama, you can
So
say that again.
Very soon, we'll get her to our side.
Well, your plans have failed, kid sis.
What? Impossible. They have been separated.
I was reliably informed from a source. Omamma is busy enjoying bushmeat with the man after her heart, the pauper.
Amoge, you do assured me that you've had this sorted out.
I did. I thought I did. Gosh, I paid heavily for this.
Obviously, the dumb fucks you paid have disappointed you. That gives me a cue to engage my own plans.
And what's your plan? It do better yield positive result.
Relax, mother. I never disappoint.
This way your face is like this. I hope all is well. Where is she? Nem, find out what is wrong with him. Oh, I don't know how he's keeping his face like that.
Oh, I had a dream. A terrible dream. We need to leave here at once. It's no longer safe for all of us here.
Dream. Is it because of the betrayal where Izu give you? Well, you don't separate yourself from him now, so there is nothing to worry about.
See, the queen and the children now know I'm the one standing between her son getting married to you. And that will make them, to remain in the palace. And you know that woman. That woman is very wicked and she will do everything possible to get rid of me.
Chi? Na fear you dey fear? Chi? So because of ordinary dream, you won't leave me run away from this village, eh? Chi, you want to leave me? Okay now, leave me.
Oma.
No, let you go need the rescue. Why you come the para now?
I'm just feeling so uncomfortable. I'm not someone that dreams a lot. Whenever I dream, it always come to pass. I just want us to live here. It's not safe for us.
Joseph or run. Nothing will happen to us. In fact, God will protect us. Eh?
Joseph or run. Before you go tell me say you don't see Potiphar wife for dream. Now it's come now, my guy. Chill now. Come.
Listen, I know what you're going through. We're in this situation together. But trust me, your sisters are doing everything they could to salvage the situation. Now the opinion on the table is to get rid of the pupa that is distracting Omamma. Yes. Once he's out of the way, she will gladly welcome you into her life.
And how are you supposed to get rid of the boy without Omamma getting suspicious? She's not a fool, Mom. She's not a fool. She's going to be my enemy for life.
Stop this.
Forget about all of that. It's over, Mom.
No! It's not! And can never! How can you accept defeat just like that? When did you become a disappointment? This is your fight. You can't give up already. You continue fighting till it is over.
Don't stress yourself, Mom. This is over. We're done.
And I said no. I did not give birth to a wiggler. I want you to snap out of this. Get up, go to your bathroom and freshen up. It's an order. I want to come back and see a freshened king in making of this kingdom. Remember, if we unite on your peace center.
Madam, you are no more welcome here.
Says who? Oh? Please allow me to...
I said you are no more welcome here.
Look at... I don't understand though.
What is going on here? Excuse me. Stay there. What are you doing here?
My princess, you need to sack this useless guy immediately. Else that will be the very first thing I will do once I become the queen.
What are you doing here? I don't understand. I'm sure you heard me. What are you doing here? Well, my princess, I was actually expecting your call as you promised. But since I didn't see your call, I decided to come and check what's going on. Like you said, I didn't call you. Isn't that enough reason for you to know that you're not needed here? My princess, I don't understand. You should have waited for me to call you before coming here. I begged you to stay, but you left in anger. My princess, I don't understand. Enough. I'll make it very clear to you. My brother, the prince of this kingdom, has found a wife, and you are not that woman. Let this be the last time you will show yourself here. Lock the gates.
My princess!
Hey! Go back!
My princess, you can't do this to me! No! Look!
My prince.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. I have good news.
Alright. Let's hear it.
I don't know who did it, but whosoever did, I've solved half of your problems, if not the entire problem.
What exactly are you talking about?
The idiot that has been a stumbling block to your getting Omma as a wife is dead. Someone shot him.
What?
Yes, I'm talking about Chike, the mechanic boy.
Well, I don't believe this.
The news is everywhere. He's dead. It's confirmed. He's dead. So you're once again free to take Omma as a wife and fulfill your destiny of leading our people.
Hi. Mama. Mama namikosa. Mama. It's all my fault. Mama, if to say I listen to Chike, this thing for no happen, Mama. Mama, what will I do?
It's okay. Sorry, my dear. Nobody knew that this was going to happen. Sorry. No? Stop crying.
Mama, no gosa. Chike tell me saying dream bad dream. But I don't listen to her, Mama. Mama, na me cause her.
Not you. You are not the cause.
Mama, if I had no have no interrelationship with Chike, Mama. Oh, look at. Mama, will Chike ever forgive me, Mama?
Mama, I've told you, stop blaming yourself. He will. He will forgive you because it's not your fault. Nobody saw this coming. Stop shedding these tears. It breaks my heart. You know, I also took Chuke as my own son. And I have always prayed for my Chi to grant your heart desire to get married to him. Now look at what has happened. It is not your fault, neither is his fault. It's just how God wants it. Please stop crying. It's okay. Clean your eyes. No go. No go. No go. God. How do you go? Can you get one wiggy?
Mama.
Hey.
Oh my word, life is good. Okay, so this is when we say cheers.
Cheers.
Success. Oh, son. Right on time. Come join us celebrate because our enemy is finally down, making the coast clear for you to get the woman of your dream.
You know, when I told you I could deliver, you underestimated your sister.
No. What I underestimated was your level of stupidity and dumbness. What have you done?
What are you talking about? Are you alright? Don't get me angry. What's wrong with you?
The Omma I know will never forgive me for what happened to him, man. She must be thinking I'm responsible for what happened to him.
What has gotten into you? Come on, please. She'll get over the anger and do the needful. The boy is gone and never returning.
She's not a fool. There's so many other ways to punish that boy. There were so many other ways.
Which is?
Why that? Why would you kill a man?
You know, if I had an idea that you were going to open this useless mouth of yours to say trash about my manner of approach, I wouldn't have done anything in the first place. What's wrong with you? You know what? You were just fit to be a commoner. You don't even act like a prince. You do not deserve that throne.
You owe your sister Ogumma an apology for this.
Cheers. To success.
Calm down. The deed is done. All we need to do is to marry because we have what we want. So cheers, baby.
What is it?
Mama, relax. I'm here to see you.
What do you want from us?
Relax, Mama. I'm here to see Oma.
For what?
Mama, I heard what happened. I'm here to let you know I have no hand in it.
You lie. Let me tell you. Let this be the first and last you step your feet into my house. Leave us alone. Leave my daughter alone. What is it? What is it? Or do you want to kill her the way you killed Chike?
Mama, I swear, I had no hand in it.
Liar. I don't care. I don't want to hear what you have to say. But just leave us alone. Leave me alone. Leave my daughter alone. Eh? You have to first kill me before you get to my daughter. That is it. Oh?
Mama, you're talking to a prince.
And you are talking to a married woman. I said, give me. I said, pray me. But what? I am talking to a nobody. Yes. You think we don't know the truth? We know the truth now. My daughter and I are coming for what is ours. Yes. Better go and tell that to your family, especially your mother, your wicked mother, that she should gently pack her things and leave the palace. Now that she has the opportunity to do so. If not,
nothing lasts forever. Anything you do, just be careful. Because the gods are watching you. Ooh, nothing is hidden under the sun. Destiny can be delayed. With some more time, it must come to pass.
Town is not the time, please.
Please hear me out. I suggest we get rid of them.
Get rid of who and who?
Omamma and her mother. Let's get rid of them once and for all. With their death, no one will dare challenge Obinna taking over the throne.
This didn't cross my mind. You're right. I never thought of it. Destroying them will wipe out any form of opposition. And everything will be put to rest. You're right.
Yes, Mom. Let me handle it.
No. You can work with those your sister hired, since they are good at what they do. I need a positive result.
Of course, Mom. I will reach out to Gomma immediately.
He's alive. Mama, my chicken is alive.
Bring down your voice.
Mama, now waiting now.
Don't you know that somebody may be listening? And they will rush out now and give the prince and his people information that Chike is still alive, which will endanger his life. Am I going here? So,
Mama, the main coconut be say my Chike they are alive. I don't know who too they there with him. Chai Mama, go bless that man for me. Go bless him for me.
Amen.
That man a better man, Mama.
Yes! You are right. I thank God that my G answered my prayers. I've been praying now. You don't know your mother is a prayer warrior. Thank God. In fact, for that, Ono is a very nice man. Just that they used him during that Leti Igwe's regime, you know. But now I think he's free from his shackles and they're ready to do what is good for our people. Hey. I'm happy for you, my daughter.
Ma.
Pack this clothes. Let's go inside and continue the conversation. Yeah, but he's on the leo. Whoa,
I thank God that the young man's life was spared by the gods. Despite what the hospital said about the young man not making it out alive, the gods stepped in and made sure that the young man lives. I'm grateful.
I'm grateful too.
That as it is now, he will not be allowed to be seen by anybody. He must remain hidden until the evil in the palace is purged.
You're right. You're right.
You know, if the prince and his family members cannot get Omamma here to become his bride, they may resort to killing her.
What?
Yes. I'm not certain about this. But you know, a desperate man can go any length to get what he wants. That is the reason I am here. So, Akonna, you must take your daughter and both of you must leave this kingdom immediately.
No. That one no possible now. You two no say no possible.
Your Majesty, please. You need to safeguard your life first. Please.
No, me, I don't feel do that one. Mama, no, Mama, wait now. Which leader will become of me in the future if I'm to leave my people and leave my kingdom and run away? Nah, Mama, no be now.
Omamma, Biko. No, is right. You know, they may be planning it and we have to leave immediately. That's not how you finish giving us this information and we'll still remain here. What will happen to us if they harm us? Who will come for us? Please don't say that again. We are leaving immediately. Hi.
Mama, I know what to do. Trust me, Mama, I know what to do. Just
what are your plans?
You know what to do. Your Majesty, a stitch in time saves 9.
Any news yet? No. Then you have to call them to know if they've done the job.
There's no need for that, Mother. I trust those guys. They don't disappoint. Relax. Sure.
I just don't want to be disappointed. Where is your brother?
That one? He hasn't been talking to any of us. I don't even know where he is right now.
I don't blame him. When this is over and he ascends the throne, I'll have a word with him because I don't even trust him anymore. There's this weird character he's exhibiting lately.
Mom? Sisters, look who finally made up on me.
Huh?
Are you good? Alright then. Let's go upstairs. Just wait, please.
What is going on? I'm shocked as you are. Hold on. Honestly, I can't believe this is true.
It's true, Mom. I had them chatting and laughing in Obinna's room.
Really?
It's for real.
Oh my word, this is a dream come true.
You can say that again. God is indeed wonderful.
Oh my word. Listen, I can't wait to have her get married to my son today or tomorrow.
Oh, Mom, take it easy. Take it easy, one step at a time. The most important thing is that they are together now.
Yes. And this calls for celebration.
Of course.
Royalty at last.
Yeah.
Wait. Have you cancelled the hit on her and her mother?
Actually, I have been trying to reach out to the thugs, but their numbers has been off.
Please, get your sister. Find a way to cancel the hate. In fact, tell them that we do not need their services any longer. They can keep the money. Please, get Goma.
Oh, okay. Just...
Wow! Oma! Is this you?
My queen.
Look at how beautiful you're looking. Now I understand why my son has been rooting for you. Oh, I thank the gods for uniting you with my son. You're welcome. Oh, my manners. Please sit.
Thank you, my queen.
How about your mother?
Fine, my queen. I'm so happy to be here.
Welcome.
My mother, she will soon be here, my queen.
Oh, really? Good to hear. I was even planning to invite her over. I want to formally, inform her about my son's intention to marry you.
Wow. She will soon be here.
Very well then, I shall prepare to receive her.
Thank you so much, my queen.
I didn't know she was going to be here today. I'm so excited.
I'm so happy to be here.
You took me unawares. Aren't you full of surprises?
Trust me, my queen. You haven't seen it all yet.
but I got time. I would love to wait to see them unfold bit by bit. Oh, sorry there. Ginika!
Yes, my queen.
Please come. Come serve my guest. I want the queen in making of this kingdom to dine with me. Oh, pour yourself some drink, please.
My queen.
Serve her. Okay.
Nebechi, are you looking for Akuna whom you sent some hoodlums to kill? Well, she went into hiding when she found out of your plan to eliminate every member of the royal family who will stand on your way.
And I moved to your son with one thing he desires most, which is accepting to be his wife. When I carefully explained to him about your evil plans, he decided to assist us to get justice.
For your information, one of your thugs was shot dead immediately and the other one arrested. He already confessed how you sent him to kill Chike with Omamma and her mother.
Oh no. You see all this? My daughters and I do not have any hand in it. Obinna here did everything.
Mother, do not lie. We're in this together.
Will you shut your mouth up?
We did it together.
Shut up!
We are not innocent.
What are you talking about? What has come over you? Oh!
I warned you, Mom. I told you this was a stupid plan, but you wouldn't listen. Now this. Well, I'm sorry.
Nebechi, you can never change. Officers, do your job. Do your job, officers. Move them.
I say move!
Nothing lasts forever. Anything you do, that's the devil. Because the gods are watching you. Ooh, nothing is hidden under the sun. Destiny can be delayed. With some more time, you must come to pass.
I've missed you.
I've missed you too, my love. I can't wait for us to rule this kingdom together. I can't wait for you to rule this kingdom together with me as my husband.
I have to inform the elders and kingmakers immediately. We have a king and queen to crown. Excuse me.
ya zeza